Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again come up with another video, and today's a video about the fuel shut off or fuel shutdown solenoid. These fuel shut off solenoids have the different shapes and the different types. Different types mean some of them have the single coil and some one have the double coil, but in double coil is also of different types. Some solenoids have the pull in and push coils, some one have the pull in and hold coil, and some one have the push and hold coils. But the function of all the fuel shutdown is to open or close the fuel for starting and stopping the machine. And today I am talking about a particular shutdown solenoid, which you can see here. This fuel of solenoid consists of the double functions, double coil. It have the double coil, pull in and push coil, and this solenoid is installed in the Caterpillar Grader 140H. And today I am going to explain its wiring diagram and how it works in the machine. So for this purpose, we go on my computer screen. There I will explain its wiring diagram and its function. So first of all, I show you this one is my shut-off solenoid which is installed in the 140H Caterpillar Grader. So this is a number 3E-6424. So you have to remember this number. So first I show you in the short manual specification of this shut-off solenoid. So I will show you the wiring diagram of the solenoids. For this purpose, I will click on this sys software. So this one is sys. I open it. So now my sys is opening. It will take little time. This is here I will put my serial number of this machine. Here I put my serial number. Serial number is a 9T. This is already I have it. So also this one is a serial number. Okay. So after putting this serial number, where I will go, I will click here documents. So I click it here. After it, I will click here. So after I will go to schematic. I will search a schematic. Here you can see this is schematic. This I click it here. After this one is the electrical system, and this one is a hydraulic. So I click on this electrical system. After is a schematic, I came on this side. This is also electrical system. I click it here. Here you can see this is my electrical system. I click here. Click here. This one is my main schematic. I select this one. This is my specification, and the number E-6424. This is my main number. I will talk about it. This is a solenoid. It has two coils, a push coil and a pull coil. So this solenoid have the two coils. One is a push coil, second one is the pull coil. So now I will touch coil. Push coil resistance 4.2 plus minus 0.4 ohms, 42 ohms, and pull coil have the resistance 16.1 plus minus 1.61 ohms. So you have to noted this one. Now I will go to the my wiring diagram. I will go down more, so I will reach to the wire diagram. So this one I will little go down. So this one is my wiring diagram. So where I will go, I will just search my shut off solenoid. So where's my shut off solenoid? So here you can see this is my shutdown solenoid. Okay, it has the two coils. One coil is a stop coil, and second one, this is my start coils. This is called the pull coil, and this one is called the push coil. Okay, when this coil is energized, okay, when power comes to this wire, this coil is energized. When this coil is energized, the spool of this shut off solenoid is pushed into the fuel pump, mean it stop the fuel, goes to the fuel pump, so our machine is stopped. When this coil is energized, when the power is coming to this wire, so this coil is energized and it pull in the spool from the fuel pump, and fuel starting goes into the pump and our machine is started. So this wire, I show you the wiring diagram. So this is a blue wire. This color you can see is orange. This is not orange color, actually it's on the machines you can see this color is a blue color. This is a wire number is 301. Blue wires, it coming from the this is starter on the motor side. When we start the machine, so this coil is energized. So this the power from the battery, these wires coming from the battery. So this wire, when we start the machine, this path is closed. When this path is closed, this current passing through this area. So this one is this current is coming to this coil. This coil is energized, and this one, when this coil is energized, this pull in the spool and open the path of the fuel, and fuel go into the pump and machine started. And this is our ground wire. This is a black one, its color is also black and its color is 2k. BK mean 200 is a number of the coil and BK mean black. So this wire is black. This is a common wire, common of this coil and this coil. This is a common wire, and this stop coil have the wire 326-P2. This coil is comes from the key switch. This coil, this wire is coming from the shutdown controller. Our shutdown controller is here. This one is our shutdown controller. Okay, here you can see purple wire. Okay, this connector. This is a PU purple 326 is key switch on. When our key switch is in off position, so this controller, this is a engine shutdown controller. The engine shutdown controller is a signal getting from the key switch, and it give the signal to the shut off solenoid. Then shuts off solenoid, this coil is energized. When this coil is energized, so it push the spool into the pump and fuel stop and machine is stopped. So I show you this one, our purple wire 326, you have to keep in your mind. So this one is a 326 purple. In this way we will follow our, so from here is coming to here, and where this connector is showing, this small wire is showing, this connector is connected to wire from here going to this one, and this is also coming down. If we coming down, so here you can see this is a purple 3 to 6 purple wire. This is our going to our group L58. I follow this 158th path. It's going up. This is a 158. This is a 158 going up further. I will follow this 158. Go to the 158. This is 158. This is a purple wire. I have a 3 to 6. Okay. This wire is the main wire. This coming from the key switch, and here is two paths. One is goes to the our start solenoid, our shut off solenoid, and this part is our goes to the shutdown controller. Okay, so first I go back to the switch side. This L58 I follow. Here is the 3 to 6 purple wire. I follow up it. I follow is now is L32. I follow 138. This is one L38. This is L38. L38. Here you can see this is purple wire 3 to 6 PU. Now I will follow this path is L43. L43. Come L43 is this one purple 3 to 6 coil. This is the in this way you can now follow the wires. This is number 3 to 6 purple, and this one these 4 wire, this one is other group, this other path coming to here 4 wires. So here you can see this one is our purple 3 to 6 purple coil. This one is my key switch. This is a key start switch. Okay, so my purple wire, this one is my purple wire. 3 to 6 purple wire is connected to here control. Here is the C. C means control. It goes to the control. So here is my so this one is my red brown wire. Sorry. This one is a brown wire 105 coming from the battery switch. Is coming from the battery relay. Okay, when battery relay is on, this wire coming from the battery voltage coming to this key switch. After this path, this is off. When key switch is off position, voltage from here to here, this is goes to this C, and C is going to purple. Okay, you understand? So this one is my voltage. When key switch is in off position, the voltage from the battery goes to my this purple wire, and this purple wire is goes to the our shut off solenoid through a controller. So here you can see this is coming from the switch. So here is this coil. This one is coil goes to the solenoid, and if this one is goes to my controller, shutdown controller. I follow this one. This one's a P32 is going to controller. This connects engine shutdown control. Get the signal from the key switch is in off position. It sends the signal to the shutdown solenoid, and shut solenoid coil is energized and stop the engine. When stop the engine, then after 2 to 3 seconds, it also stop the current, and current not further goes to the shutdown solenoids. So hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.